Let's enjoy the whole process today. A master locksmith from China. For a Honda motorcycle with all its keys missing. Key distribution. After being observed in the keyhole with special tools. Then use tooth scissors. Cut out the tooth position on the key. Finely trimmed with a file. Not long. A key is made. Next, let's test whether the key is smooth. It's perfect. As smooth as the original. It only takes 2 fingers to wiggle without resistance. Let's test the fuel tank again. It's perfect. Let's try to start the vehicle again. Successfully find a car. Professional things find professional people.